Hi! Let's learn about indirect questions. Let me show you an example. I'm gonna ask you two questions. Question number one. Excuse me. Where is Las Flores Street? Question number two. Excuse me. Can you tell me where Las Flores Street is? These two questions ask for the same information, but there is a difference. Question number one is a direct question, and question number two is an indirect question. What are indirect questions? These are the type of questions that are more polite or more formal. Use indirect questions when you want to ask for information to people that you don't know very well or are strangers, or you can ask indirect questions to your boss or coworkers. You can start indirect questions with these phrases. Can you tell me? Or could you tell me? Do you know? Would you mind telling me? Do you have any idea? And would it be possible if, after these phrases, you add the WH questions, but in a different order? Remember, WH questions start with what, where, who, when, how, why. Now, let me give you an example. After that, add the question, the WH question, but in the sentence or statement structure. Wait. What is the statement structure? Let me show you. This is the question. Where is Las Flores Street? This structure is in a question. WH word, verb to be, subject, complement, question mark. But a sentence or statement structure changes. Where Las Flores Street is. The verb to be goes to the end of the sentence. So, we create an indirect question like this. The phrase, can you tell me, plus the question in statement structure. Can you tell me where Las Flores Street is? Let's see more examples. Direct question. What time is it? Remember, that is the structure for a question. Indirect question. Can you tell me what time is it? Now let's see the indirect question. Could you tell me what time it is? Remember, we change the position in this case of the verb to be. Another example. Direct question. Where is the music shop? Indirect question. Do you have any idea where the music shop is? Another example. Direct question. Did you move to DC? Here, we don't have the verb to be. We have an auxiliary, did. This is the auxiliary for the past. Now, see what we're going to do. Direct question. Why did you move to DC? Here, we don't have the verb to be. There is an auxiliary. The auxiliary for the past, did. Now, notice what we're going to do. Indirect question. Could you tell me why you moved to DC? Over here, we don't use the auxiliary did. We change the verb into the past. Because remember, in indirect questions, we use the structure of a sentence or statement. Can you tell me why you moved to DC? That is the indirect question. Just remember, in indirect questions, after the phrase, can you tell me, would you mind telling me, the sentence structure of the question. And that's it.